she is a female. Okay, so gender, that is male, first boy, then after girl it is considered as female, then boy, girl, father is considered as male, and mother is considered as female. Now let us write down mother. Next comes, let us see who is this. Who is this? This is, yes, grandfather. So the next comes grandfather. Grandfather is a male. Whereas, who is this? Yes, she is a female. She is a female. So she should be placed here, and it is grandmother. Grandmother. Next comes is, who is this? Yes, he is a king. And king is a male or a female? King is a male. Very good. So king is a male. So let us place it under male category. And what is the feminine gender of king? That comes queen. Yes. So it's queen. So here we are writing queen. Okay. So boy, girl, father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, king, queen. Now if I say that let us consider this one as brother. If this is brother, then what will be the feminine gender of this girl? If this is brother, then what is this? Let me see in your chat box, what is your answer? Yes, I got the first answer, and that is from Jassim. Yes, very good. It is sister, because he is having one elder sister. So brother, and the female is sister. Next comes, if I consider this person now as uncle, then what should be this? Yes, here comes Nandini. Yes, it's aunt. It's aunt. So A-U-N-T, aunt. Okay. Now, as we human beings are divided into male and female, in the same way animals are also divided in the same category. Okay. Like if I consider king and queen, and if we say emperor, then what will be the feminine gender of emperor? Yes, empress. Okay. So in the same way animals are also having male and female. So let us see how animals are known as. If I say this one is male, then can you tell me what is this? What is this? Who will answer me? What is this? Come on. First, I am waiting for your answer, and I will collect the first one. I will, yes, Shugato is typing. Come on, fast Shugato. Let's see. What will be the answer? And Nandini is the one. Picture is not clear. Picture is not clear. It's okay. Focus the boat. Okay. Let's see. Okay, please write down your answer. Those who have identified the creature, write down your answers in the chat box. Let me see. So this creature has been placed under the category of male. So let me find out how many of you are giving me the correct answers. Okay, let's see. Let's see. So, who has given the first answer? Hen. I am getting all the answers as hen. And I hope, Shomrik, now your screen is clear. Okay. So, let me clarify this one before the camera. If still you cannot see it, this is the picture. All of you, you can see this is the picture. So, let us see. This is the picture. Okay. This is the picture. So, I hope you have identified it. So, let's see who can give the answer. Already I have received lots of answers. Already I have received lots of answers. Let's see who is the first one to give the answer. And the first one was Nandini. So, rest all the answers are the same as Nandini has given. But, I am sorry, this is wrong answer. What I told, even the animals are being divided in male and female categories. So, when I have placed this creature under male category, I would define it as rooster. It's rooster, or you can name it as cock, C-O-C-K. Okay, it is considered as rooster. And now the female of rooster, feminine gender of this creature, is known as, I hope I should show you from near. I hope it is clear now. Okay, so now it is clear for all of you. Let's see who can answer the question now. So, it is, yes, it is, let me see the chat box now. And yes, I hope now you can see, yes. So, cock, already I got the answer, rooster, and who is the first one to answer? This one. So, already you have answered previously, it's hen. Okay. So, hen is known as female and rooster is known as male. So, cock is boy and hen is girl. Cock or rooster is boy, whereas or male, whereas hen is girl or female, whichever is easier for you to understand. Okay. Okay. So, the next creature, let us see, is this one. So, let us see, I am going to show you on the board. This is the creature which I am going to stick on the board. Okay. So, let's see, this is the creature. So, write down what it is. Write down what it is. So, I got some answers. First answer from Nandini. Very good, Nandini. Next is from Shomrik, Orgho and Shattuki. All have given correct answer. So, it's ox or bull. It's ox or bull. Okay, and the feminine gender of this creature, the female gender of this creature is, this is the female gender. I am going to show you. So now you can, I hope, see clearly and write down your answers. So it's, yes, I got the first answer from Nandini, and it's cow. Very good. So it's cow. So ox, bull, its feminine gender is cow. Now if I say what is the female of tiger? So what is the feminine gender of tiger? Can you tell me? I am waiting for your answers. Come on. Girl tiger. What she is called? Girl tiger. Trishita has given the first answer, and Jasim, very good. It's tigress. It's tigress. Yes, it's it's Inakshi Nandini. Okay, Inakshi, very good. It's tigress. Next comes lion. Next comes lion. So, what is the girl lion called? Come on, someone is typing. 3 people are typing, and the answer is, okay, Nandini, your spelling is wrong. Spelling is wrong. Next comes, still 2 people were more. Let's see whose answer is there. Next is Shomrik Rai Chaudhary, spelling is wrong. Next is, sorry ma'am, okay, no problem Nandini, you try once again. And Orgho, yes, Orgho, very good Orgho, excellent Orgho. And anyone more wants to try it? Yes, very good. And who is that? Ayan Mukherjee, I think so. Yes. So, it's Lanus. So, this was the chapter on gender. We will just once more do the revision with the words, and we will complete the class. Let's start. So, as we have seen, genders are divided into 2 categories, that is male and female. So, let us do the revision. That is, number 1, boy, that will be girl. Next, father, female will be mother. Next, grandfather, female will be grandmother. Next, uncle, female will be aunt. Next was brother, female will be sister. Then we discuss something about animals, right? So, it was rooster, and the female was hen. Yes, one we missed, that was king. And feminine gender of king is queen. We have changed the gender. Next comes opposite gender of king, right? Next comes ox or bull, and it was cow. And 10. Can anyone tell me what is this? What is the opposite gender of gander? Opposite gender of gander, feminine gender. Come on. Who is the first one to answer me? I am waiting for your answers. 3 people are typing. Let's see who is the first one. Tathagata and Argho. Let's see what answer I am getting. First, come on. I am going to take the first answer only. Come on. So you are going to learn all these opposite genders, okay? You are going to learn it so that we can go with the next chapter of pronoun. And yes, gander is a masculine gender. Yes, gander is a masculine gender. Now give me the feminine gender of gander. What is the opposite gender of gander? Already I have written it under male category, so obviously it's a masculine gender. I want the feminine gender. And they will be taught as male and female, okay? Not just now we will pronounce it as masculine or feminine, because they are going to learn it in class 4 or 5. So just now they will learn only male and female, easy words for them, that is MALE male and FEMALE female. So I would request Argho's guardian, please pronounce as male and female before him. Common gender, I want the opposite gender. Sir, I want the opposite gender. Please. So where are the rest of the students? Come on. Where are the rest of the students? So opposite gender of gander is goose. Okay, it's goose. It's goose. So gander, goose. Father, mother, uncle, aunt, king, queen, ox and crow. Gander, goose, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, rooster, hen. Okay. No beta, it's not swan, it's goose. Okay. It's goose. Then after we will learn singular and plural. So first of all, opposite gender, gander is male, that is boy, and goose is girl, that is female. Okay. So I would tell all the students, please learn these words which I have today discussed with you, because it is very important during your term 1. Thank you, and please wait for your next class.